How you doing? This is Nate from Peter Morgan Associates. And over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be giving you a few financial education topics that are going to help you, whether it's with money management, credit repair, saving, or investing. You see, at our organization, at Peter Morgan Associates, we help people to not only repair their credit, but we help to teach them how to manage their money while also learning how to save and invest. We have a wide array of financial topics that will help anybody in just about any situation. I don't want you guys to feel intimidated if you're having some type of financial problem, especially in the credit repair. You see, cash is great, but credit is king. But if you don't know how to manage your credit, I can assure you, you will be a pauper real quick. And in this day and age when most people, they're living paycheck to paycheck, or they may be one paycheck away from some type of financial ruins, once you get behind in certain things, it is very hard to get out. Now, I know someone there is probably looking and saying, hey, Nate, that's me. And that's good. But I want you to take the first step and schedule an appointment with us for a free consultation on how we can help. There's a link below. I want you to schedule an appointment with me right now so that we can go over to see how to help you with your financial situation. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'm going to leave you with 2 videos that are going to help you out in whatever you're about to do financially. Thank you. How you doing? This is Nate from Peter Morgan Associates, and I am your urban financial professional. Today I want to talk to you guys that have credit that is not so good. It's okay. When you go out to buy a car, I'm not going to keep you long. I just want to tell you a couple of quick pointers. Before you even think about going to get a car or pulling out a car loan, I'll be quite honest with you. Know what your credit report is. Know what's in your credit report. Because what's going to be in your credit report is going to determine whether or not you're going to get the loan or you're not going to get the loan. And if you get the loan, to be honest with you, you never know what the interest rate is. The lower your score, the higher the rate. The higher the score, the lower the rate. The lower the score, the higher the down payment. The higher the score, the less the down payment, and sometimes you walk out with 0. So the first thing I want you to do is to check your credit. You should be checking your credit at least once a year. Secondly, let's just say you go to the dealership because you need a car. Not you want a car, you need it. Car broke down and where you're going doesn't have public transportation. So what I want you to do when you go in there, go ahead and apply for the loan, but ask them how many banks that they're applying for. Once they tell you, go ahead and let them apply. If you get denied, do not apply anymore. At this point, you need to go over your credit report and find out what exactly is knocking you out. Let me give you a couple of quick life tips. You may want to speak to that finance manager and ask them, what are some things that they're looking for? What are the criteria of that particular loan so that you can work on that? What you're going to do is go through your credit report or have someone help you to go through and find inaccurate information in your credit report. See, let me tell you something. 85% of credit reports have some type of errors. So it's important that you go through and find errors or inaccuracies that are probably holding you back. I hope this life tip helped you. Now, if you want help or you want to get some type of education, or maybe you even want your credit repaired, we can help you. We're going to take a 3-step approach to help getting your credit back, and you should see results within 30 to 45 days. You never know how many points. We've seen people get points from 50 to 100 points in 30 to 45 days. But as I will tell a client, and I will tell you, everything doesn't happen overnight. Results vary. But I do want you to book an appointment with one of our specialists. Book the appointment down below with the calendar events. Schedule yourself an appointment so we can give you a quick assessment. It's free. No one's going to sell you anything. It's free. But get yourself back on track right now. All right, this is Nate, your urban financial professional from Peter Morgan Associates. Hello, everyone. This is Nate from Peter Morgan and Associates, and I am your financial urban professional. Today, I want to talk to you about something a lot of people are getting ready to go through, which is going through bankruptcy and how to recover. Now, unfortunately, bankruptcy is a situation that a lot of people have to go through. This video is not going to talk to you about the basics of bankruptcy. But what we're going to talk about is how to restore your credit when you go through bankruptcy. A lot of people don't even think about that situation. You got to think, once I have my debts discharged, then what are we going to do? Well, today I'm going to introduce a method that will help you to restore your credit and get yourself back on track in a positive way. The method that we're going to use to help you get yourself back on track financially and credit-wise is called PERM. P-E-R-M. PERM. And that's positive education, restoration, and restoring money management. So we're going to use that method real quick. I'm not going to keep you guys very long, but I do want to use this to help people that are going through bankruptcy right now and they haven't had this stuff discharged, or they just recently had this stuff discharged. So, first and foremost, we have to keep a positive thought on what is going on. You've had discharge, either had your debts discharged or you had them reorganized. Either way, most people do not have the financial education to actually help themselves not get back into that situation. What happened was they got from under this mound of debt, and then they usually go back into the same situation. Well, this is what we're going to do. So first things first, you have to have a game plan. If you don't have a game plan on how you're going to rebuild your credit and then maintain that credit score, you're going to go right back into the same situation. So, first things first, have a game plan. Second thing, if you have just discharged, it's almost like you have debt that is, well, your credit score is going to be bad, but you can rebuild it. There are various products that I will outline in the comment section below that will show you how you can rebuild your credit. You can do things like pulling out personal loans from your bank. You can do secured credit cards. There are quite a few different ways. There are even things that you can do where you can add your rent into your credit report. Now, what I want you guys to do is to subscribe. I want you to subscribe to my email list so that you can get weekly education. Listen, the education is going to help you. It's going to help to reinforce positive habits instead of doing what you have traditionally not done. So what I want you to do, if you want to have a consultation, go ahead and set an appointment with one of our representatives, and they will get back to you with a time that we can sit down and discuss how we're going to restore your credit. Sorry it's a little rough and all that good stuff, but I do want you guys to get the gist of what's going on. All right, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
If you're looking for a reliable, professional, and affordable credit repair service, well, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local provider of credit repair services, and we're committed to creating satisfied customers and getting your credit fixed in just a matter of months. Our credit consultants are the best in the industry at removing bad credit items from your report and helping you improve your credit score. Call or email one of our friendly staff now to schedule an appointment.